We're making Kung Pao shrimp. Here's everything that you need. I'll go over it as I cook. When I do the shrimp, I like to take these things as they come, put them down and just push down, not all the way through like that. Butterfly the shrimp and they spread out nicer and curl up when you cook them. The shrimp for cooking is the same thing you do with chicken. Tablespoon of sherry or shaoxing wine, quarter teaspoon of white pepper, tablespoon of oil, and a little bit of cornstarch, just a teaspoon. Take all that, mix it all together, ready to cook. Here's the sauce. 3 tablespoons of water. Gonna go a teaspoon of cornstarch, half tablespoon of chili garlic paste, tablespoon of light soy sauce, one teaspoon, third of a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. That's it. Oops, one more thing. Gonna need a tablespoon of sugar. And I'm using monk fruit sweetener instead. Getting started. We're gonna use about a tablespoon of oil, half cup of peanuts, however much you like in there, that's about right. We're gonna roast them. After 30 seconds or so, throw in some red chili peppers. Might take a little work, or cook them separately so you can get the timing right. We want the peanuts to be toasted, and we want the chili peppers to have a dark brown toast to them there. Takes about 1 to 2 minutes. There it is, a little bit of a rich brown, pulling them off. Oil's back to the smoke point. Shrimp spend 10 minutes marinating into the pot, spread it apart so it doesn't accumulate water. Let them cook until they become opaque, then another 20 seconds. Try to let them sit for about 30 seconds or so on one side so they pick up a little bit of sear. That gives flavor. And you can see how I sliced them, how they curl up more than if I just left them curved. They'd look like this. All right, after about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, they're done. Making the sauce. We'll put the onions in. Let them brown up a little bit first and separate. Toss in the bamboo shoots. Just leave the onions and they'll break apart after about a minute. All right, push them off to the side and add the rest of the ingredients. Green onions, ginger, garlic. All right, there's not that much oil. I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil for the garlic. Turn the heat down. Simmer the garlic. Last thing we're going to add, Szechuan chili corns. All right, we'll do, a little bit more than that, about a teaspoon. Just pull the onions and bamboo shoots off, get it out of the way. We're making the sauce. Put it on top of the shrimp. Okay, that's good. Turn the heat back up full. And let's add the sauce. Stir it up. Make sure the cornstarch is stirred up from the bottom. Deglaze all that shrimp stuff off the pan. Cross check how thick it is. It's a little bit too thick for what I want right now, so I'm going to add a little bit of the bamboo shoot juice to thin it. That's it. Add everything else back in. Toss it. Kung Pao shrimp. Kung Pao shrimp. If you got anything out of the video, I sure appreciate a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel, please. Thanks for watching.